Here's a little job I've got to do. I put the T-joiner in for the sink, and rather than cut a piece out, I moved the surplus up to this end, and that's how much space the T-joiner for the sink takes. So I've got to trim that down and make that fit. But that's the pipe that feeds, or the waste from the shower and the washing machine. It runs from left to right of the vehicle at the very front, and then the one going that way runs all the way to the back. That was done over a year ago. It's one of the very first jobs I started on, mainly because I was working at a job and someone was throwing 4 lengths of this pipe out, and I already had a lot of the clips from left over from another job, and I've had to buy very few bits. About 50 quid the waste system's cost so far with all of the bits and pieces, but right, you probably won't be able to see it up in there, but down that pipe there's a non-return valve, because the washing machine's teed into the shower line, and the shower outlet trap is lower, lower than the outlet at the top of the machine, and the machine being forced water, I was worried about water coming into the shower tray, so I've put a non-return valve in. Ideally it should have all been piped in separately, but it just wasn't possible. This is directly under the shower tray. There's the trap. I'm going to have to probably insulate the waste pipe. See if I can get a view of the non-return valve. And we're going to raise the camera up and see if it will see it. I think the answer's no. You can just see it in the top right hand corner of the picture, but I can't see it from where I am. I'm holding the camera up, but I'm going to have to insulate all of that, I should think, for winter use. Here's the washing machine point, waste point, and that tees in. That tees into the pipe that runs left to right for the truck, and the other side of that wall is where the shower is. Here's where the outlet is on the outside of the vehicle. Just behind the side of the vehicle there is the grey tank. As you can see, that's where it is. It's right at the back, which is quite annoying for the length of the pipe. And the capacity is, it's 180 litres metric waste, 47 US gallons, and 39 imperial. Very rough workings out, so it holds a fair bit, and it is only grey water, and the water tank, that's I think that's about 160 or 70 litres, because that's got an inch of polystyrene around the tank, so it makes it an inch smaller than the waste tank. I'm laying on my back under the rear right, looking forwards. There's the pipe that runs the full length of the chassis to the waste tank. There's like an overflow there, and there's the outlet. It's got a locking handle so no one dumps your tanks, but it's only grey water from the shower and the washing machine and the hand basins. There's no grey, no black tank on this vehicle at all. Here's the waste pipe for the sink, which I mentioned in the earlier part of this video, and that runs across underneath the floor. So the waste system is now completely finished and functioning, and that concludes the waste system video. I could show you the shower room, but that's more videos to come. Well, thanks for watching.